What I'm about to tell you is probably going to change the way women think of you. Stay until the very end of this video, because I have a very attractive trait that is just going to melt down any women for you. This is what is going to differentiate you from other men. This is what gets a woman to think about you constantly. These tools are going to help you understand the mind of a woman and how to get this woman to see you in a different light. To make any women think about you, the primary thing you need to deliver is emotions. How you do it also plays a crucial role in an attachment with women. So, today in this video, you are going to know exactly that. Number 1. Conversation with emotion. No. It doesn't mean you have to cry or speak about all your family and financial problems. It's way different than you think it is. Have conversation with mixed emotions, like bring up your funniest stories with your friends and add a bit of your relationship with them. When you bring this up, you are bringing up emotions like fun and love for your friends. Do not make a conversation completely invested on just a single emotion, like a conversation including just fun or love. Women love it when you bring up conversation with multiple emotions, like laugh, love, goals and whatnot many. This is what makes you guys start connecting emotionally. Most men don't know how to escalate conversation on their first date. You are not going to make any progress with that woman if you are just speaking stuff without any emotions. That's the reason why most men fail on their first date. Number 2. Be a good listener. The success rate on a successful first date is not only conveying your emotions, but also listening to her and understand her on an emotional level. As I have said in my previous videos, a relationship lasts longer and starts with an emotional conversation, with the involvement of both the parties. Most men don't understand this very quality a woman needs in a man. When on their first date, do not be the only one to speak all the time. Just let her open up and speak, and be emotional. Women love such men. This is the best time to make a very good eye contact. Looking into her eyes one after another makes her feel you are paying utmost attention to her, and women just can't resist to that. Women want men who are not only interested in flirting with them, but also who want to know about their life story and connect emotionally. Number 3. Be attentive to the question she asks. This is the one that I was speaking about. If you are still watching this video, that means you are very strong-willed to make things happen. So, if you ask me, how is being attentive to her questions going to melt her down? This has nothing to do with the question she asked you, but it is with the answer you give her. Let me give you a scenario. For suppose, if she asks you, what type of women you like, then most men answer the same exact features reflecting her. Are you one of those? Then from now on you are not one among them. Because you have subscribed to Dating for Men Simplified. A very intelligent man who knows the game exactly knows how to answer this question in a romantic and exciting way. Just answer what features you are attracted to in a woman. Might be most features do not reflect her. When you do this, she might be confused if she is interesting for you or not. But after that, when you reply by saying, "But I like you the way you hold yourself as a woman," that is just going to melt her down. As you didn't speak about the way she looks, but by the way she is a great woman, and it is about her personality and character. Women love men who compliment on their looks, but women want to be with men who compliment the way they are as a human beings and their character. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.